How to use double exposure in Snapseed. So first, just simply click on your Snapseed app, then select the image that you want to use. So if you don't have any images here yet, just simply click on the plus icon here on the middle to show your images. But for me, I already have one. That's why I'm going to go with this image right here. Then once you're here, click on Tools, then scroll down to the very bottom till you see the double exposure option under the Creative section. Now just simply click on that. Now click on the image icon with the plus icon here on the bottom middle. Now once you click on it, you will need to pick an image that you want to merge with the current image that you have. So now I have one right here. Now you could click on this other option besides it, which is the like filters menu that you could use. You could lighten it, you could darken it, you could just add it right there or overlay it just like that. So as you can see, that's what it will look like if you overlay it. And you could also adjust the opacity. So this is basically where you could adjust how it blends right there. You could also resize it if you want, just like that. You could adjust the opacity again, which I want to make it look like this. Now, once you're done, just simply click on the check icon or button here on the bottom right. And as you can see, this is the final result. So you could, of course, be more creative with it. You could add multiple photos if you want, but that is how you basically use the double exposure in Snapseed.